Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen, and I'm going to be posting videos here now. A few things about me. I have two cats. You might see one right here. Kitty! She's so sorry. I have two cats. There's another one over here somewhere. And I love K-pop. Did I say that? If I didn't, I'm going to say it 100 times because I love K-pop. And I'm just going to use this channel to talk about stuff I like or talk about my health related stuff. I have mixed connective tissue disease, which you're probably like, what the hell is that? I know, right? It's like this really, really rare autoimmune condition that not very many people have. And pretty much like 1 in a million. And I guess I got lucky because I have it. And I've had dermatomyositis for 12 years. And I've had scleroderma for 2 years. And I'm living with it. I mean, it's hard and it's a really, really crappy, horrible disease to have. But I don't know. I obviously deal with it with a smile, and that's the only way I think you really can be, you know. And, you know, I just hopefully can meet some other people, maybe who have what I have, or something like that, and that'd be cool.